Hi, my name is Elliot. I'm a rising senior at All City Leadership Academy, and I have just finished my second milestone to my main base project, the LED sneakers. What I achieved in this milestone was attaching my floorboard circuit and my LED lights onto my sneakers, and I have set it up so that every time I take a step in my sneakers, the shoes will light up with colors. Now, this process starts with the pressure sensor built in within the heel of the shoe, so that every time my foot presses onto the pressure sensor, there is a resistance within the pressure sensor that goes through the circuits of the pressure sensor that is connected to the floorboard of my sneakers. And within this floorboard, I have programmed a code that essentially detects any change in analog values from the pressure sensor, and analog values are these resistance values that basically change whenever there's pressure applied onto the pressure sensor. So whenever the code within the floorboard detects this change in pressure, it will then send a signal to the LED lights to tell them to change to whatever color it assigns to them. Now, when this pressure happens because every time I take a step, the resistance changes. So that's why every time I take a step with the sneakers, the lights do change. Now, this sneaker obviously cannot power itself, so I have received a portable battery pack so that I may not worry about power source whenever I want to travel, wherever I may want to go. Some challenges that I faced during this milestone were that the actual pressure sensor is made up of a conductive electrical material, and this material had to be carefully replaced because it eventually became worn out. So I had to replace the material and then reconnect every wire. But from here on out, I'll just be working on with color sensors for my sneakers, and this is how it works. Whenever I take a step, it would change colors. Yeah.